Hey, thanks for stopping by. My name is Rashid and today we're at the Grand 4x4 warehouse here in Dandenong South. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through one of our most popular selling products, which is our Ute manual roller shutter, just installed on this GWM Canon Alpha. Let's go check it out. So what I'm going to walk you through first is the actual build quality of the roller shutters, and then we'll talk about the features on the actual roller shutters, and then I'll chat to you a little bit about the customization and then the actual installations. So these roller shutters are full aluminium build. They also have interlocking panels. So what that means is that these panels are actually interlocking in each other, which means no one can walk past and try and stab through the curtain using a knife or a box cutter or a screwdriver or anything like that and try and actually get into your roller shutter. This leaves you with a roller shutter that's really sturdy, nice and strong. Another important feature on the roller shutter is the ease of operation. As you can see, there's a nice big spacious handle here. Some people don't think it's that important, but you can imagine if you have big hands, if it's cold outside and you have a little tiny uncomfortable handle, it's not fun. So it's spring loaded, just release the catch, and as you can see, the roller shutter has a multi-position lock. So you can have it open halfway in case you're carrying slightly larger items, or if you have the pooch in here, you can carry your furry friend wherever you go. So to release it, we just release the catch, and there you go. I'll show you how, if you come around this way, I'll show you how these roller shutters are actually installed. So what we do is we actually assemble the roller shutter, we prepare your tub rail, and then we mount the assembled product onto the tub, right? There is 4 drainage points on this roller shutter. So if you have a look here, you can imagine when it's raining, water essentially pools onto the curtain. It slides into the channels, right? And then those channels divert the water into one of the 4 drainage points, which gets drained into the tub. There's 4 drainage points on the roller shutter, which is 2 at the front and then 2 at the back. Very easy to operate. You can hear that was a click, 50%, release the catch, all done, right? Another feature on the roller shutters is the accessory channel track. Now, why is this important? This little channel track here can allow you to customize your roller shutter exactly the way that you want. Typically, what we see lots of Ute owners do is they remount their factory sports bar back onto the roller shutter. It does support certain models of sailplanes with our special brackets. Some of the other additional accessories that you could mount onto this is tub racks. You could go with crossbars. Alternatively, you could also do something like a platform rack. Now, that's how you would actually customize the roller shutter. What we're also seeing some tradies do is add on the rear ladder rack. So it's a big kind of like U-shaped rack. It gets bolted into the accessory channel track over here. What that allows you to do is carry longer pieces of equipment, such as beams of wood, longer pipes, and obviously your long ladders. So yeah, that's how we're typically seeing people do the customization of the Ute roller shutters. Before I go into the installations, follow me. I'll actually show you what the sports bar installation would look like. So this is another installation. The customer is just coming to pick up this vehicle now. This is again our manual roller shutter on the LDB T60. Now if you have a look here, this is the sports bar that's mounted onto the accessory channel track here. It bolts straight in, and the way that we do this is First, we remove the factory sports bar. Actually, we install the roller shutter onto the tub, and then we remount the factory sports bar back onto the tub using our special sports bar brackets and using the accessory channel track. So that will give you a nice little insight into how the channel track actually works. Another feature that's quite important to mention is the manual roller shutter comes with a tailgate lock. And what is this tailgate lock, you might ask? Some vehicles or models of utes don't allow you to lock the actual tailgate. Now, you can imagine if you have all your gear inside and you have your roller shutter that's locked, but your tailgate is open, it's not fun. Someone can walk past, crank it open, and off goes all your tools, right? That's where our tailgate lock comes into place. So this roller shutter is not locked at the moment. I'll just release the catch, right? And there, she's open, right? Now let's try and open the tailgate lock here. You can see it's not opening. Why is that, right? I'll just open here and I'll show you. This is our tailgate lock, right? It's a kind of like a latch, and if you come in here, you'll have a look. This is the locking mechanism that comes in the manual roller shutter. That allows you to lock that tailgate. So let's give it another test here. Close this guy up. She's locked. Try and open the tailgate. There you go. Now if that was open, right? Now if you try to open it, there you go, tailgate lock. And this, it comes as a built-in feature on all our manual roller shutters. You can opt not to have it. The reason that it's not on, for example, the GWM Canon Alpha, is that the Alpha has the new style of tailgate which opens up like barn doors, so obviously you wouldn't want to put it in on there. So that was our manual roller shutter product walkthrough. We went through all the different features and then all the different accessories. Let's go into the store. I'll tell you what the actual installation and booking process looks like, and you'll see exactly what we do here at Grand 4x4. Let's go. So here we are inside the store at Grand 4x4. Typically, when people come in the morning, they come check in. We start off the process by taking photographs of the vehicle to make sure we return the vehicle back to the customer in the same condition that they gave it to us. And then one of the team members drive the vehicle around and we begin our installation process. Let's go have a chat in the warehouse. So this is the Grand 4x4 warehouse. Our installation center is just down there, where the team gets all the products installed. Now, just a bit about our manual roller shutters. Some of the main reasons that people choose to work with us is the fact that we have a comprehensive warranty on all our products. On the manual roller shutter, you get a full 2-year warranty on the roller shutter. Other important things to mention is that not only do we offer the warranty, but we also sell spare parts for roller shutters. We also do roller shutter servicing. So what does this mean for you? This means that after the 2 years of your warranty, let's say a certain part needed to be replaced on the roller shutter, you can come to us and we can replace that individual part. We can also then further service your machine. So that means going into year number 3, year number 4, your roller shutter is still working great. Now, like I mentioned, the installations happen just here at the back of our warehouse. Installations typically take 4 hours to complete. There might be a bit of additional time that's required if you have additional accessories or require things removed like soft covers or hard lids, etc. But one of our friendly team members will inform you before making a booking what the time situation would be. So yeah, thank you for sticking around and watching our walkthrough video on our manual roller shutters here at Grand 4x4. We are the #1 rated four-wheel drive accessory store in Melbourne with over 300 5-star reviews, and we hope that you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to make a comment in the comment section below. And if you did like this video, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our channel. It really helps us grow and encourages us to make more content. And thanks again for sticking around and watching. We'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.